A shade tree project. Right there. This thing here will not lock in. Won't latch. All the parts are there. I'll have to loosen that bolt. I think the spring is wore out. Gonna attempt to remove this latch. It's got a bolt right there. Nice. That's unexpected. Check that out. Wow, all kinds of goodies came out of there. So here's the order the parts came out. You got a nut, a square flat washer, spring, coupler, another spring that has seen better days, the latch, and this is the locking mechanism for the latch. And so we'll compare these to the new part. They've got it pre-assembled, so that would be the order the parts go in. This is a little bigger than this one, but it's for a 2-inch ball. Instruction manual, Kurt, well-trusted name in trailer supplies. The spring is the same on both sides, and it will be sandwiched between that and this. So we'll start there. Take note of the orientation of this latch. That there is at its shortest point, and this is at the extended length. You want to start with the thing down, and you want to lean it back with a little bit of thread protruding, and it will assist putting the spring in. The trailer has this round stock, and then the coupler has this slot that goes up and over the round stock and then pivots. So you got the threads protruding. You hang your coupler on there. Take your spring and place it on the top bolt and depress it and bend it around and line up with this bottom hole and go up and maneuver the bolt straight down. Then extend it, releasing the latch on top to make that fully extended. Put this washer on there all the way up. Depress it as much as you can and then release it, and it will hold it in place for your spring and lock washer. Kurt utilizes the nylon locking nut, so you won't have to worry about that coming off. Other brands have that squared washer that protrudes down as a locking device plus a lock nut. Now it's a matter of adjustment. Alright, so we're a bit loose. Tighten up the bottom nut. Just go a good ways and keep checking it. Alright, we got some tension right there. And what that tension is this bottom spring is creating the tension. The top spring simply pushes the coupler downward to get it out of your way, so your thing comes right out. So that's a nice amount of tension right there. And you don't have to worry about how tight it is if you're in the center of the tension. The spring is doing the tension. You don't want to be collapsed and you don't want it loose. You want to be right in between. So if you can look up in there I don't think I could do that on camera. And see how compressed your spring is. You just want a little bit of compression and you're good. Another test, you can hear that rubbing a bit, and that would wear this metal out pretty quickly. But I'm going to loosen it and see if that relieves any of that. Now when you get close to where you want to be, small amounts. Still got a little tension. Oh, nice. Much looser. So I'm going to back it off as far as I can go to where there's no tension, and then tighten it up 2 turns. Alright, there's no play. Minimal rubbing. Grease that up real good. You're going to grease all in here. This trailer's been sitting, so that's a little bit rusty. That's why it was sounding so rough. Grease all the springs. Everything. A little bit of grease on this mechanism. Everywhere it could rust, and then you just wipe it down. That's nice. Real loose, but no movement. Like a ball bearing. Alright. Real world application. Well, that thing there's loose, but thanks for watching. Hope this has helped someone. Here's a preview of my next video. I'll be installing a swing down jack